Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna make palak paneer. So for that we will take ginger, garlic, green chilies, tomatoes, finely chopped, everything into the mixer, and we will mix it to make a puree like this. Then we will take 1 cup of boiled spinach, and then we'll mix that too in the mixer. So here's the puree, palak puree. Now take 1 cup of chopped onions. Palak puree is ready. Chopped onions are ready. Now in a kadhai, take a little bit of oil. This is 1 big spoon of oil. Any refined oil would work. And in that add 2 cubes of butter. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Like this video too. Now toss it up and add cumin or jeera. Add the chopped onions. Now add garam masala to it. Hing. Here's the hing. You can use any hing. Then mix it. Now mix it well. Add the puree that we have made tomato, ginger, garlic and green chili paste. Mix it well and add salt to taste. Now if you want a little bit more flavor, add red chili powder into it. Now mix it till this puree thickens up. Now add the spinach paste into it gradually and mix it well. Now you have to cook this complete paste for around 15 to 20 minutes on low flame. Cut chopped paneer. This was cottage cheese. Now add this into the paste. Take so now mix it well. Homemade malai. Garnish it with butter. And now our paneer and the malai, homemade malai, is ready. Please like my video. Thank you.